Welcome to the Knox video training series. In this video, we'll show you how to install Knox E FOTA in the work profile on your company-owned device using Knox Manage and the Knox Service plugin. Let's get started. Before you start connecting Knox E FOTA to Knox Manage, you first need to create a Samsung account at samsungknox.com, apply for access to Knox E FOTA and Knox Manage, obtain trial or commercial licenses for Knox E FOTA and Knox Manage, add and approve the Knox Service plugin application, and finally, prepare your Samsung devices in Knox Manage by enrolling them and adding them to device groups. To install Knox E FOTA using Knox Manage, you'll need to create an API client in your Knox Manage admin portal, connect Knox E FOTA to Knox Manage using your client ID, enroll your Knox Manage device group in the Knox E FOTA admin portal, install and launch the Knox E FOTA app on the devices using the Knox Service plugin. To create an API client, log into the Knox Manage admin portal. In the left navigation, click Advanced, API, then API Client. In the upper left corner of the API Client screen, click Add. In the pop-up that appears, enter a client ID and a password. Then, specify how long, in seconds, you want the token for this client to be valid. Finally, click Save and OK. Now that you've created an API client ID, you can use it to connect Knox E FOTA to Knox Manage. Launch the Knox E FOTA admin portal. In the left navigation, select groups. Then, in the upper right portion of the screen, click Connect EMM. In the Pick Your EMM to Manage Devices menu, select Knox Manage. Enter the client ID and password you just created in Knox Manage. Note that this is not the same as your Knox Manage username. Then, enter the full URL of your Knox Manage admin portal and your tenant ID. Here, your tenant ID is the domain that comes after the @ symbol in your Knox Manage admin account. Then, click Connect. In the Add Device Groups to E FOTA screen, select the device group you want to add to Knox E FOTA. If needed, enter a search string or sort the list by group name. Then, click Add E FOTA Groups. The device group will be added to Knox E FOTA with all device details synced from your Knox Manage account. Next, you need to enroll the device group you added. In your Knox E FOTA admin portal, on the EMM group screen, select the device group you want to enroll. Then, in the upper right portion of the screen, click Actions and select Assign License Groups. Select the device you want to use and click Done. Each device in the device group consumes one license seat. Enrollment will only start once you've installed the Knox E FOTA app on the devices. In this step, we'll explain how IT admins can bypass the limitation that prevents UEMs from directly pushing the E FOTA client to the personal profile on the WPC device. Before that, navigate to the Knox Manage admin portal. To create a policy, in the left navigation, click Profile. Enter a name for the profile. Select Android Enterprise and Samsung Knox, and finally, click Save and Set Policy. On the Set Policy screen, click the Samsung Knox Android Enterprise drop-down menu. Select Knox Service plugin and expand the Device-Wide Policies menu. Then, in the Knox Service plugin policies, set Enable Device Policy Controls to True. Then, expand the Firmware Update FOTA policy menu and set Enable Firmware Controls and Enable eFOTA Client Installation and Launch policy to True. Finally, click Save and assign the policy to the proper user group. In the Apply Profile window, select OK to confirm the profile settings. You should see the results on the device. This concludes the demo of how to connect Knox E FOTA to devices enrolled in WPC mode. For more information on Knox E FOTA and Knox Manage, visit docs.samsungknox.com. Thanks for watching.